Good morning, students. We have already studied about Sher Shah Sur Empire, which was established by Sher Shah Suri. Now we start Akbar, 1556 AD to 1605 AD. Akbar was born at Amarkot in 1542 AD. At the age of 13, in 14 February 1556 AD, he became Emperor of Kalanur and Bahram Khan was appointed his regent. At the age of 13, he became king and Bahram Khan was appointed his regent. Regent means his legal parents. Panipat second battle took place between Afghan commander Hemu and Mughal representative Bahram Khan on 15th November 1556 AD, and Afghans were defeated. Was an arrow stuck in Hemu's neck and he collapsed. Hemu is died and he collapsed. So Hemu was the able Hindu general of Adil Shah. He was a brilliant general who had won 22 continuous battles and he adopted the title of the Raja Vikramadit. Next, in 1556, Akbar captured on Malwa, fort of Chunar and fort of Godwana from music lover Baj Bahadur. He also captured fort of Ranthambore from Surajhanda. Surajhanda is the king of the Ranthambore. Raja Ramchandra surrendered the fort of Kalinjar to Akbar. In 1570 AD, Marwar and Bikaner both were surrendered their fort to Akbar. Akbar snatched Gujarat from Muzaffar Shah and Bengal from Daud Khan. It means Akbar captured many more forts. In 1576 AD, Mewar forces under Maharana Pratap, at that time Maharana Pratap was the ruler, and Mughal forces under Man Singh and Asaf Khan clashed at the Battle of Haldi Ghati, but Mughals did not achieve success. They did not win. Pratap never accepted the rule of the Mughals, and as soon as the Mughal forces went back to Delhi, he re-established, यानी वो दोबारा उस पर कब्जा कर लेते थे, his control over his territory. Mughal forces won decisive victories over Kabul. There are many victories by Mughals. Kabul under Mirza Hakim, Kandahar under Hussain Mirza, Kashmir under Yusuf, Sindh under Mirza, Jani Beg, Orissa under Nisar Khan, and Khalid under Ali Khan. He also won over Khandesh and named it as Dhanadesh. By facing the strong opposition of Chand Bibi, Mughals won and captured Ahmednagar in 1600 AD. Mughals captured Asirgarh too in 1601 AD. This was the last victory of the Akbar. You underline it. This was the last victory. What is the last victory? Mughal captured Asirgarh too in 1601 AD. It was Akbar's last military campaign. The Uzbeks of Malwa first, and under the governor Abdullah Khan revolted in 1564 AD. There are two revolters, but both their rebellions were crushed by Akbar. Rebellions को crushed कर दिया गया अकबर के द्वारा. In 1584 AD, because of crushing revolts of Gujarat, Abdur Rahim was given the title of Khana. Abdur Rahim को टाइटल दिया गया खाना का because of victory on revolts. While fighting the Yusufzai, one of Akbar's Navratna, Raja Birbal, died and Akbar himself died in 1605 AD. अकबर भी 1605 में डाइड हुआ. आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग इलनेस He was buried at tomb of Sikandra, which shows a clear influence of Buddhist architectural style. A Buddhist architecture style. Akbar summoned the Portuguese missionaries from Goa. गोवा से पोर्टुगाइज मिशनरीज को बुलाया एंड गोट इबादत खाना कंस्ट्रक्टेड फॉर रिलीजियस डिस्कशन इन फतेहपुर सीकरी इन 1581 AD। 1581 में इबादत खाना फतेहपुर सीकरी में बनवाया। ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड दीन ए इलाही ए न्यू रिलीजन विच वाज मेड बाय अकबर। बीरबल वाज द फर्स्ट हिंदू किंगडम, अंडरलाइन, बीरबल वाज द फर्स्ट हिंदू किंगडम हु यूनाइटेड टू दिस रिलीजन। शेख मुबारक declared Akbar as Inam Adil Mujtahidin. Akbar gave protection to Chishti community. Akbar ने protection दिया चिश्ती community को of Sufism and made churches for Christians in Lahore and Agra. He gave protection to Jain Saint Hari Vijay Suri by giving the title of Jagat Guru. Abdul Fazl was the first priest of religion, Deen e Ilahi. In 1583 AD, Akbar started a new calendar called Ilahi Sammat. Akbar, underline also it, Akbar started a new calendar called Ilahi Sammat. Ilahi Sammat अकबर ने स्टार्ट किया फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द पावर ऑफ राजपूत पर कंट्रोलिंग के लिए। अकबर अडॉप्टेड ए पॉलिसी ऑफ मेकिंग मैट्रिमोनियल रिलेशनशिप, शादी विवाह की नीति अकबर ने अपनाई। एंड शोइंग द स्ट्रेंथ कछवाहा भारमल was the first king who did this treaty, and with Akbar he appointed Bhagwan Das and Raja Man Singh to important posts in his court. The dynasties of Baswada, Pratapgarh and Dungarpur accepted the Mughal rule but maintained their independence. In 1564 AD, Akbar discontinued the jizya tax was only imposed on Hindus. The tax levied on non-Muslim. Fatehpur Sikri remained the royal capital from 1516 AD to 1584 AD. 1569 से 1584 तक रॉयल कैपिटल फतेहपुर सीकरी रही थी। द बुलंद दरवाजा ऑन द साउथर्न गेट ऑफ द मॉस्क वाज बिल्ट बाय अकबर इन द मेमोरी ऑफ विक्ट्री ओवर गुजरात। गुजरात की विक्ट्री के मेमोरी में बुलंद दरवाजा को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया। नेक्स्ट है जहांगीर 1605 AD to 1627 AD. Jahangir was named Salim at birth. His name was Salim after the famous Sufi saint Sheikh Salim Chishti of Ajmer. Because of his military power, he was provided 12 Hajri mansab. In 1599 AD, Salim revolted against Akbar. Salim ने revolt कर दिया अकबर के खिलाफ, and he killed Abul Fazl in 1602 AD, who had been sent to suppress the revolt. Later, in 1605 AD, he ascended the throne at Agra fort and adopted the title of Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir Badshah. इसने यहाँ पर नूरुद्दीन मोहम्मद जहांगीर बादशाह का टाइटल अडॉप्ट किया। ही ऑर्डर्ड द डेथ ऑफ पेनल्टी टू सिख गुरु अर्जुन देव। गुरु अर्जुन देव को इसने जो इनका ऑर्डर डेथ का था वो दिया। हिज विक्ट्री ऑफ ओवर कंधार इज व्यूड एज मिलिट्रीली एंड कमर्शियली इम्पोर्टेंट। इन 1611 AD he married to Meherunisa, underline, he married to Meherunisa, a widow, and gave her the title of Noor-e-Jahan. Later she was made the Badshah Begum. The British emissaries Captain Hawkins, Sir Thomas Rao, ये भी अंडरलाइन करने की चीज़ें हैं, came to his court only. Jahangir died in 1627 AD. Now today it is all, and thank you. Okay.